Okay, so this is basically a soap dispenser. You have a dispenser below, you have some batteries, there's a sensor, you put your hand, it comes out, you know, the foamy type of soap. So basically just normal batteries inside. Put them off to the side here. 4 batteries here, 4 screws here, sorry. Let's open that up, see what we have underneath. So just a little bit of background. This is something we got for free in the home when you buy like Walch soaps and something like that, and they give you this for free. After using it for a while, they basically don't work anymore. So here I am tearing it apart. So basically these rubber seals just to, you know, just double make sure that the batteries don't get wet, don't affect the electronics and stuff like that. Let's see how we can open this up. Take a bit of so yes, motor PCB. Let's open up the motor, see how everything goes inside. Thank God for these super long screwdrivers, man. This move the motor just to remove the motor. Would be good to pull these out. Sure, what kind of actually just some sort of displacement motor in a way. Let's see what's below there. this is the motor. This is motor that turns. So sensor turns the motor. When the motor is turned, one of these things starts to get this some sort of displacement pump in a way. Yeah, it's all there. Some sort of displacement mechanism. I'll do some research and see what exactly they are. So the casing, the PCB inside, the motor that was at the bottom, basically when the sensor senses you here, activates this motor that turns displacement. I'm not sure if displacement is the correct word. Sucks in some of the soap, pulls in air. So this one is for air at the bottom, there's a little hole. This one is to output the soap. And yeah, that's it. One more for power from the batteries.